Hello everybody. So I was at church this morning and one of my buddies there asked me, what? No video this weekend? So he's shaming me into showing what I'm doing here. Anyway, I think I have another video on this Craftsman lathe that I had bought almost a year ago. So I've been tinkering around with it. It didn't come with any tooling to speak of, and so I'm really not doing a whole lot with it, but every now and then I would try to cut something, but it was never cutting true, if you know what I mean. Every time I tried to cut something, it was always cutting a taper. It was as if the headstock was not parallel to the bed. The tailstock lined up. Now I don't have a live center, so for the half a year I was thinking it was I just needed to support the workpiece better, but definitely something wrong. If you're buying a used lathe, take a piece of stock with you, have them turn it down and see if you're running true. This is just kind of my test piece. In 4.5 inches here, this area was 10 thousandths narrower than this area, and I really just couldn't do any turning of any other than, just tiny little pieces here. So last weekend I ripped this bad boy completely apart. If you look down here, it's interesting. Here's all the thread cutting gears. Phew! A lot of moving parts here, trust me. The motor, belt tensioner, and to top it all off, this darn thing's so heavy I can't move it around. So I finally bit the bullet and ripped it apart, got the indicator, tried to figure out what was going on, and it appears to me that this is all factory set at the factory, the alignment, but I think this bad boy was hit. There's a piece of broken bed right there. I ended up putting a 14 thousandths feeler gauge right in there as a shim, and we'll see if that squares it up or not. I've played around at length here a little bit. You're not going to see this probably, but if I bring this up touching, I can't, and then bring it in. See that light in between there? That would indicate a correction in the taper problem. So that's what I'm hoping, that by God's grace I've got this figured out close enough. So I'll bring you back when I'm getting it together, or get it together, and we'll see some chips. How's that sound? Okay, well, darn it, I made one cut along here and I still got the darn taper. I'll show you how it's cutting. It seems to be cutting okay. Taking about 2 or 3 thousandths off of there. but definitely not cutting true. Be careful when you're buying a used lathe. I don't suspect anything was deceitful, but definitely not cutting true. But somebody can fix this with me. I'll keep trying, or I'll find somebody that knows what they're doing and see if I can't get this cutting true. Looks like I got about a little bit less than I had last time, so it got better, but still definitely not acceptable. Anyway, yeah, I'll measure this up, but I got to get in for now. But that'll do it for this weekend. Have a great week, and I'll see you later. Bye.